Hello YouTube. Today this lovely piece of machinery right here is getting worked on. So we were planning to have it running by the end of this video, but we're still waiting on the carb. Thanks a lot, Amazon. Also waiting on new plastics. Thanks a lot, Amazon. Enjoy it, and yeah, I think that's it.
Yep. There you go. The look of disbelief is great.
It's gonna be something super random, and it's not what y'all told me. I hear that giggle. Something's about to be messed up on this thing. That's great, man. It's only a matter of time before I wreck it.
Oh yeah, you know it.
I love the number.
Oh yeah.
I knew y'all were up to no good.
That's beautiful.
I don't know if beautiful is the word I'd use for it, but
it does
it's something.
It does have a gas tank mount. We didn't have a drill, so we couldn't bolt it in.
You also only
nice spray paint job, man.
Yeah.
Hey,
oh yeah.
Hey, that was all me.
Big spray paint guy. Big spray paint guy.
I did all the spray paint.
We can keep this as decoration for the apartment, but definitely not on a company bike. Not a big fan of the green on the with the red, but
And we only had 2 colors.
Christmas. We had 3. We had green, red, and white. We had Christmas colors.
There's 2 bolts loose on the case that we still haven't tightened yet.
Which bolt? The oil drain? Oh, I see it. Great.
are you trying to? I was gonna say, I know he's.
I'm trying to bunny hog it.
He's way too big to be trying to. Oh,
He got it.
he did it again.
Not, the rear tire didn't.
Derp.